Hello students, I am Dr. Naresh Nandanani from Jaipur Engineering College, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss the method of solving differential equations of second order exact equations case. A differential equation of second order is said to be exact if it can be derived by direct differentiation from a differential equation of first order. Suppose the given differential equation of second order is p naught d2y by dx square plus p1 dy by dx plus p2y equal to q, where p naught, p1, p2 and q are functions of x. Now the condition of exactness for equation 1 is p2 minus p1 dash plus p naught double dash equal to 0. If equation second is satisfied, then first integral of equation 1 will be given by p naught dy by dx plus p1 minus p naught dash y equal to integral of q dx plus c. Now equation third is a first order differential equation and we can solve it easily. Sometimes it happens that equation 1 is not exact. Then we have to multiply that equation by some suitable factor which is known as integrating factor. If equation is of polynomial type, means the coefficients of second derivative and first derivative such as p naught, p1, p2 are polynomial type, then we assume that integrating factor is x to the power h, and then we apply the test of exactness, and using that value of h can be found out. If the coefficients p naught, p1, p2 are trigonometric functions, then we have to apply trial method. To understand this method, we take some examples. Example 1, sin x d2y by dx square minus cos x dy by dx plus 2 sin x into y equal to cos x. Here p naught is equal to sin x, p1 is equal to minus cos x, p2 is equal to 2 sin x. Since p2 minus p1 dash plus p naught double dash is equal to 2 sin x minus sin x minus sin x, which is equal to 0, hence given equation is exact. So its first integral will be p naught dy by dx plus p1 minus p naught dash y equal to integral of q dx plus c, which implies sin x dy by dx plus minus cos x into y equal to sin x plus c. So this implies dy by dx minus 2 cot x into y equal to 1 plus c cosec x. The last equation is obtained by dividing the above equation by sin x. So this is a linear differential equation of first order. So first we find if, which is equal to e to the power integral of minus 2 cot x dx, which is again equal to e raised to the power minus 2 log sin x, which is equal to cosec square x. So the complete solution will be y into cosec square x equal to integral of 1 plus c cosec x into cosec square x dx plus c1. On simplification, the RHS becomes equal to minus cot x plus c by 2 into minus cosec x cot x plus log of cosec x minus cot x plus c1. So finally y is equal to minus 1 by 2 sin 2x minus c by 2 cos x plus c by 2 sin square x log 10x by 2 plus c1 sin square x. This we have obtained by dividing the above equation by cosec square x. Next example, 2x square plus 3x d2y by dx square plus 6x plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y equal to x plus 1 e power x. Here p naught is 2x square plus 3x, p1 is equal to 6x plus 3, p2 is 2 and q is x plus 1 into e power x. Since p2 minus p1 dash plus p naught double dash is equal to 2 minus 6 plus 4, that is 0, so the equation is exact. Hence first integral will be p naught dy by dx plus p1 minus p0 dash y equal to integral of q dx plus c, which gives 2x square plus 3x into dy by dx plus 2x into y equal to integral of x plus 1 e power x dx plus c. On simplification, RHS is equal to x ex plus c. So dividing whole equation by 2x square plus 3x, we get dy by dx plus 2 upon 2x plus 3 into y equal to ex upon 2x plus 3 plus c upon x into 2x plus 3. So the integrating factor is e raised to the power integral of 2 upon 2x plus 3 dx, that is equal to e raised to the power log 2x plus 3, which is again equal to 2x plus 3. So the complete solution will be y into 2x plus 3 is equal to integral of 2x plus 3 into ex upon 2x plus 3 dx plus c integral of 2x plus 3 upon x 2x plus 3 dx plus c1. On further simplification, we get ex plus log x into c plus c1. So finally y is equal to e to the power x plus c1 plus c log x into 1 upon 2x plus 3. Next example, sin square x into d2y by dx square minus 2y equal to 0. Here p0 is equal to sin square x, p1 is equal to 0 and p2 is equal to minus 2. So p2 minus p1 dash plus p0 double dash is not equal to 0. So the given equation is not exact. To make it exact, first we divide both sides by sin square x and we get d2y by dx square minus 2 upon sin square x into y equal to 0. Now we multiply this equation by cot x. Here cot x is the integrating factor to make the equation exact. So we get cot x into d2y by dx square minus 2 cot x into cosec square x into y equal to 0. Now we can see that p0 is cot x, p1 is 0, p2 is minus 2 cot x cosec square x. So p2 minus p1 dash plus p0 double dash is equal to minus 2 cot x cosec square x plus 2 cot x cosec square x, that is 0. So equation 2 will be exact. Now first integral will be cot x into dy by dx plus cosec square x into y equal to c1. Dividing both sides by cot x, we get dy by dx plus cosec square x upon cot x into y equal to c1 into tan x. So the integrating factor will be e raised to the power integral of cosec square x by cot x dx, that is e to the power minus log cot x, which is equal to tan x. So the complete solution will be y into tan x equal to c1 integral of tan square x dx plus c2, which gives y tan x equal to c1 into tan x minus x plus c2. For this we have to integrate tan square x by substituting sec square x minus 1. Now here are some practice problems. You have to solve these problems by using exact equations method. If you feel any problem in this lecture, you can contact me on my email given on the first page. Thank you students, have a good day.